Hey, how's it going? This is a review on the GreenSweeper synthetic grass mower. I was doing a project over the weekend, and as you can see, there was a lot of debris. I was cutting down some trees that were blocking my calusias on the perimeter of our backyard, and I've been meaning to do it for a while now because for about a year I've had this synthetic grass, and I've just been blowing all the leaves underneath the bushes, and it's been accumulating. And so I had to come up from behind the fence and blow all this debris out. So this is why I'm bagging up a lot of the leaves and debris. Ultimately, I bagged up like 7 leaves, but what this did was it allowed me to set up the backyard in a way to give it a good solid sweep with the green sweeper. And so I bagged up all the debris. I've had the green sweeper for about 1 month, and I've used it 3 times, which is cool because like it is a machine that needs to be assembled, and so there's a little bit of some labor involved, as you can see here. I kept it in the box that it came in, but it's a 3-piece assembly. Here I get the header out, and I start assembling the arms to the extensions, which ultimately where the control handle is going to be installed. But I knew I was gonna have to do this. It was a long weekend for me, so I was like, let's just get her done. But I got green oaks in the backyard. I got a seed grape tree that sheds a lot of seeds and leaves. And the blower, you got to have a blower as well in your arsenal. But I did needed something to pick up all the seeds, and this is where the green sweeper came in clutch for me, where the blower kind of blows your leaves away, but all the there's seasons that where I'm at where it just dumps. So once I got this thing all put together, which it didn't take long, you just gotta haul it out, or if you have a shed, that's a good place to keep it in. But I keep it indoors for now. And so once I have it all done, I start going to town. You do need an extension cord. That's something that, it is what it is, but you get used to it. It's like a vacuum cleaner, straight up. Every time I start sweeping, I feel like how I was when I was a kid, sweeping the carpets for my mom or something. But here I go left to right. As you can see, I'm putting some stripes together. I didn't mean it that way, but it does look nice. My wife always jokes that it looks like Marlin Stadium down here. So I'm like, I like that. I take some ownership and some pride in the backyard. And in the corners where all the debris and seeds are at, I go to town. I just let the machine do its thing. It does pull you a lot going forward. Just keep that in mind. You're going to see shortly in the video that I went 3/4 into my backyard before I had to empty the bag out. And I could have probably done it in one sweep, to be honest. But nonetheless, it does a solid job. It's just a bristle underneath, and it's just rotating. You have 5 levels where you could kind of like adjust the height of the mower. And here you could kind of see it was getting late at night, or late, sun had set. But here's a bag with some debris that it picked up. To be honest, I didn't even think that was that much debris out there. I thought I had picked up a lot, but here it is in the morning. I wanted to give y'all a kind of really fresh look at it, at how it looked. I have a large backyard. My children love to play backyard, and I like to hang out and I have some fires back here. So, as you can see, I have some big trees, and now I'm able to have my calusias, breathe and not have the trees on top of it. So hope you all like the video. Definitely recommend the green mower. Thanks a lot for your time.